Hi, I'm Cass. I'm from the Perris Library, and today we'll be making a paper pumpkin. We're going to start off with our brown paper, some orange paper, a green pipe cleaner, a glue stick, some scissors, a pencil, and a ruler. If you didn't catch all that, don't worry, I wrote it down all for you. Start with our orange paper, and we're going to grab our pencil and ruler. We are going to make our markings at the 1-inch margins for each one. Don't worry if it's not matching up. As long as you just put it for that 1 inch, we should have identical ones. And whatever you do from the top, you're going to also make the same markings on the bottom so we can connect them together and have our little strips of paper. Take out your scissors, it's time to cut. Alright, take out your orange paper and you're going to fold it in half. You're going to make sure you cut down on the crease right there like so. And we're going to take out our pencil and we're going to make an oval. So the way I make an oval is I make 4 points and connect them together and then round it out to make it an oval. These ovals are going to be our bases for our pumpkin. So make sure you keep them really identical. Now that our pumpkin bases are identical, take out your glue stick and start marking down where you're going to put your paper. I always like to keep them across each other to keep it really symmetrical. Alright, now you're done with your pumpkin. Let's start with our stem by grabbing our brown paper and folding it a little bit just to make sure we get a good length on that. So the stem I made is going to be at least 3 inches. So I'm going to cut that up real quick and then I'm going to roll it up. It's really hard to roll it up just by yourself, so use the pencil to help you roll. Once you get a nice roll, you're going to grab your glue stick and you're going to mark down where you want it to be. Now, because it is hard to just glue in a cylinder, we're going to cut the bottom in a few slashes with our scissors. I only did 4 with this one, but usually I do more. And then you're going to smother it in glue and place it on top. Alright, now we're done with our stem. Now let's move on to our vine. So we're going to grab our pipe cleaner and wrap it around our pencil. Once you're done wrapping around your pencil, you're going to wrap it around your stem. Once you got that on there, you're all good. Your pumpkin is done. Now let's move on to our book recommendation for this video. It was really hard to pick just one book, so I decided to show you all the fall books we have on our display. There are so many to pick from. You would just have to call us here at the Perris Library, and we'd gladly recommend you one that we think would be best for you. For more information on these books or books like this, please visit our website. There you will find all types of resources we offer in all our Riverside County branches near you. Thank you for watching!